Hello guys, welcome to my channel Quick Learn. Now here I am with the part 5 of our communication skills. In this topic I am going to tell you some tricks to improve our communication skills. There are only 3 tricks. Once if you get that, you will get very much clear with your communication skills. You will improve your communication skills. So tricks to improve our communication skills. People with effective communication skills are more confident. You always see those who have good communication skill or effective communication skill are always confident, right? Because they know that they can tell others what exactly they need. Means they can express themselves. They know in which way they are going to explain, and that perfect way is going to be understood by the front one. So they are always clear. Therefore, they are confident about their communication skills because they know what exactly they want to tell people and in which way they can explain them. In order to communicate effectively, one has to think ahead and organize one's thoughts. So simply, to communicate effectively, we have to think ahead and organize one's thoughts. We need to think continuously on that topic which we want to speak or which we want to communicate. That thought process should be continuously in our mind in English language and not in our mother language. When we start thinking in our own language, in English, but in our own language, at that time only we get effectively communicated by our communication group. So in every walk of life, language that we use for communication is very important. Okay, I am not saying just that English is the only best language. All languages are the best language and everyone has their own language. So whichever language you use, you should be first of all comfortable with that language. You should continuously think your thoughts in that particular language, and at that time only you can be very much comfortable or very much effectively you can communicate with your partners. The language we use for communication is very much important because that language makes your personality. Once you start communicating, at that time only the front person gets clear about your personality. So you should always be clear about your language. So this is the very first trick to improve, that you should always think in that particular language in which language you are going to communicate. And now let's see the second one. To communicate effectively, you need to avoid distractions and stay focused. Yes, it's the very important point. It's the very important trick that you can use. That is, avoid distractions. Whenever you are speaking or whenever you are listening, listen to that person properly without distracting him or even distracting yourself. Avoid mobile phones. Avoid chatting in front of them. Whenever you are speaking to a person, keep an eye contact. Keep your hand posture and gesture properly. So avoid distractions and first of all stay focused on what exactly the communication is going on. Inconsistent body language is very bad habit. Keep your body language very proper so that it will be effective for your communication skill. Avoid distractions. Non-verbal communication should reinforce what is being said, not contradict it. So whenever you are listening to the communication process, at that time, keep in mind that you should clearly get what is being said and you should not contradict it. मतलब अंदाजा नहीं लगाना है कि वो क्या बोल रहे हैं. You have to be clear what he or she is saying. You should not contradict it. Okay? If you say one thing but your body language says something else, your listener will likely feel that you are being dishonest. If you are telling one point to your partner and at that time your body language is something different about what you are talking about, at that time the listener feels like you are dishonest to him or her. So, whatever topic you are talking about, your body language should be of that type. Concentrate on one single point. Stay focused. Avoid distractions. This is the second trick for improving communication skills. And let's see the third one. Listening is one of the most important communication skills that we can acquire because it's the primary way that we develop relationships, understand others, and build trust. This is the very important point and the last point to improve our communication skill. And in every part, I have told you that listening is the very important point. Before speaking, try to listen what the front person is saying. Try to always listen what he or she wants to say. Make yourself clear about that. Once you got your listening skill perfect, at that time you will get very much clear about your communication skills. At that time we can acquire, because it is the very primary way, so that you will get clear about what exactly the front person wants to say to you. When you start listening, it develops relationships. The first point is it will develop relationship because the front person will feel comfortable with speaking to you because you are completely listening to him or her. You can understand each other's when you start listening to others, and we can build trust among each other when we start listening to each other. So these were the 3 small tricks to improve our communication skills. Hope you guys are clear with all this. Thank you so much. If you liked my video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my video. And also please press the bell icon so that you will get notification of my every videos. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye. See you soon in next video.